This is stock number 109664, a 2011 Chevy Avalanche. LTZ 4-wheel drive. Exterior color is white diamond tri-coat. For your options, you got power locks, power windows, power mirrors, and power folding mirrors. Memory seat, easy exit, heated and cooled seats. Power driver seat with lumbar support. Light controls, 4-wheel drive controls, trailer brake. Cruise control, stereo controls and hands-free communication. Power tilt sunroof, garage door openers. Comes equipped with OnStar. Got a touchscreen AM/FM radio with CD player, auxiliary, USB capabilities, dual zone electronic climate controls, power adjustable foot pedals, parking sensors, traction control. Upholstery is leather, color is light cashmere. Comes equipped with molded running boards, 20-inch chrome alloy rims, mud flaps, rear parking sensors, trailer tow package, backup camera, hard tonneau cover. Options, you got power side windows, 40/60 bench split seat with built-in armrest and cup holders, dual screen DVD system, rear audio controls, cup holders at the feet, seats fold down for extra cargo storage. Once again, this is stock number 109664, 2011 Chevy Avalanche. LTZ. Exterior color is white diamond tri-coat.